Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sazon. And since it's Cinco de Mayo, I'm going to make some barbecue chicken and cheese quesadillas. Today, I'm using white flour tortillas, boneless chicken thighs, 1 onion, sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, Mexican style cheese, green jalapeno peppers, pepper, and celery salt to taste. First, we'll start by cleaning the chicken. We can do that by rinsing it with water. This helps remove any dirt, bacteria, or other impurities that may be present on the surface of the chicken. After you have cleaned the chicken, you can use a paper towel to gently dry them. Then, you can cut them into small, bite-sized cubes. This will help ensure that the chicken cooks evenly and is easier to handle. Es hora de darle sabor. First, we're going to use garlic powder. Toss in 2 teaspoons of garlic powder into the bowl of chicken. This can enhance its taste and bring out savory flavors. Next, we are going to use onion powder. Throw in 2 teaspoons of onion powder into the bowl of chicken. This can be used in marinades, rubs, or as a sprinkle on the chicken before cooking. Our next seasoning will be 2 teaspoons of celery salt. This adds a unique and savory flavor to the dish than using regular salt. Our final seasoning that will be added to the bowl of chicken will be pepper to add a kick of flavor and a touch of heat. After adding the seasonings, give the chicken a good mix to marry the flavors and let them mingle. Once you have finished that step, cover the bowl of chicken with plastic wrap and let it chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to marinate. As I mentioned in one of my previous videos is soaking the onion in cold water and placing a damp paper towel next to it on the cutting board. That's one hack of cutting an onion if you don't want to cry. Now let's finely chop the onions to ensure they are smoothly diced and not roughly cut. Do the same with the green jalapenos. This is to bring a delicious heat and a vibrant flavor to the dish. You want to coat the cast iron pan with oil. I'm using olive oil. Coat the pan evenly with oil and crank up the stove to high heat. Now that the pan has heated up, it's time to add the diced onions and jalapenos to the pan. ¿Escuchas ese chisporrotero? Sabes que se trata de ese momento. While the onions and jalapenos are getting caramelized, it's time to add some fajita seasoning and stir it up. Once our onions and jalapenos had time to saute, we add the chicken. Ya sé que este será un plato increíble. Give the chicken a good stir in the pan for 5 to 7 minutes. Now that the chicken is done cooking, we can get to preparing the quesadillas. We'll start off our quesadilla with the delicious layer of chicken straight from the cast iron pan. For the second layer of our quesadilla, let's add some mouth-watering Mexican-style cheese. It'll give that authentic and flavorful touch. And to top it all off, we'll drizzle some sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce for that perfect finish. I'm using sweet and spicy baby Ray's barbecue sauce, but you can use whatever makes your heart desire. Once the bottom of the quesadilla is golden brown and the cheese is melted, it's time to flip it over to cook the other side. Carefully flip the quesadilla using a spatula to ensure even cooking. Alright, the dish is now complete. Alright, and now I'm going to introduce you to my dad, Mel.
For the second time, I watched in your other video. Remember the Moscow Mule? Well,
Wow.
The Mexican Mule.
5 years ago.
That was 5 years ago.
Doesn't even feel like it's been that long ago.
I know. We're back at it again. Now we're trying your new dish. What do you call this?
I call this the barbecue chicken and cheese quesadilla.
Man.
For Cinco de Mayo.
Okay, there's no mapache in there, is there?
No.
Okay, good. All right, let me get the first bite.
Alright. recap and rate it 1 out of 10.
Tastes great.
Mmm.
It's a 10.
Oh, thank
Easily.
you.
It really is.
I'm gonna try it myself now. Mmm. Oh, you're right. Mmm.
It's good. Perfect for a Cinco de Mayo.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah, this is really perfect. Can really taste the spiciness, the barbecue, sweet baby rays.
Yeah, you cooked this really good. That chicken.
The chicken is very smoky.
Yeah, I can taste the smokiness. It's delicious now. You
Oh.
did a great job.
Thanks. What a heavenly taste.
It's delicious.
Yo, it's me, Dom. Thank you so much for watching this Chef Nel Sazon video. Make sure to tune in next Friday for next week's video.
Feliz Cinco de Mayo!